Dear student, in this section I'm going to talk about Python modules. Consider a module to be the same as a code library or a file containing a set of functions you want to include in your application. So let's quickly create a module. And before that, to create a module, just save the code you want in a file with the file extension .py. So that is how you create a module. So basically we want to start to write Python code in Python files now. So click on your project name, then click on File, New, then File, then let's create my module.py. Make sure you have .py extension, otherwise Python would recognize it that this is my file. So we have these. So let's just define a greeting function which accepts just one parameter and with a print function of hello, comma, then the name. So remember we need that double dot there when defining a function in Python. So now I can quickly save my file by using Command S or Control S depending on the operating system that you're using. So how can we use this module? This is my module that we just created. It's relatively simple. So all I need to do is to import it. So import, we use the import statement followed by the module name, my module. So now I can use the my module, can call that greetings. Yeah, I need to pass in the name. Remember, this function is expecting just one parameter, so in this case Harrison. So as you can see, we have hello Harrison. So let's quickly move on. So variables in module. The module can contain function as already described. As you can see, our module contain a function, just one function of greeting, but also it can also contain variable of all type like array, dictionary, object, etc. So let's quickly put that in practice. So supposing we have a different module, click on your file, your project name, and click on File, New. Okay, new file. So this will be my module to.py, and all we need to do, let's implement a dictionary here, a person dictionary. Remember, this is how you implement a dictionary. So dictionary consists of the name, the key, and the value. So the name is the key, so the value is Harrison, comma. So let's add a different key of age, then whatever it is, 20, so comma, and of country, Sweden. All right, so this is our dictionary implementation on our my module 2, and also this is our module. So there should be an equal to here. So person 1 equal to this. So this is how you implement a dictionary in Python. So this is our module. So I just want to quickly save it by Command S or Control S, depending on the platform that the operating system that you're using. So now let's import the module and access our person 1 dictionary. So in here we need to import the my module 2. So you don't need the .py here, so just my module 2 is okay. So with that, let's create a variable of a, and let's use the my module 2 to access module. So you remember the dot notation followed by the person. I hope you remember how we access a value in dictionary. So we need this square bracket followed by the key. So in this case, the age. So now we can print what is the value of A as expected, 20. So we can also access the name as well and print the value of A. We have Harrison. So let's quickly move on to let me check. Let's quickly move on to built-in modules. There are several built-in modules in Python which you can import whenever you like. So let's quickly talk about the platform module. So let's import the platform module. So import platform, the platform module, and now let's create a variable of s equal to, let's use the platform module, and let's use the dot notation to call system method. So as you can see, in our my module we have just one function or a method. So but in the platform module it consists of several functions, so but we can access it with the dot notation. So now we can print the value of s, and fair enough, we have done with, which is the platform that we actually use in this Python console right now. So yours might spit out something else. So yours might show either your Windows machine or Mac OS. So it just depends. So let's quickly talk about an important dir function here. So the directory function, which is the dir function, is a built-in function to list all the function names or variable names in a module. So we can see it in action. So let's quickly see the directory function in action. So let's import our platform module. So with that, s equal to the dir function. Let's pass in our platform, not float, platform module in it. So let's quickly print it out. Print s. So if we print it out, we will see a list of all the functions name or variable names in the platform module. So these are all the functions name and the variable name in these platform modules. And same, we can also see that with house, with the one we just created, which is my module. We can do it as well. Let's quickly import it, which is my module, and let's use the dir function and pass in my module. Fair enough, if I print s, what is the value of s? We have this. So you can see this is relatively small, and you can see the function that we declare, which is this. So that is how the directory method works. So let's quickly move on to let's talk about something which is import from module. You can choose to import only parts from a module by using the from keyword. So let's see that in action. So as you can see, this platform module has a lot of functions in it. There's a lot of function in it. So, but we can choose to just import just a specific part. So let's consider this in R. So this is our my module function. So let's just add this dictionary here to it. So we have the dictionary open running. So quickly go ahead and save yours. I just want to save mine with Command S. Because I just save it, so I need to restart my Python console. I just want to stop it and reopen it back. So now I want to import again. Import my module in this case. But not import my module. So we want to import, we want to use import just this person, not this greeting. So to do that, I need to use the from keyword from my module, which is this, import person 1. So now I can print the person 1. Let me just print the age. In this case, let me access the age. So fair enough, we see 20. So likewise, we can print the country as well. Country. What am I spelling? Is that hard to spell? I say country. Is it country? Country. So fair enough, we have Sweden. So basically, that is it in terms of module. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next section. Bye.